Welcome to this training module looking at the Smart Notebook software. In this module we will look at text functionality. Selecting the text icon, the secondary menu is launched, offering various text styles, colours and alignment. Selecting the More Text Options icon displays a further level of functionality, ideal for mathematics and science. Default fonts and sizes allow a quick selection of text style to be applied. Clicking on the notebook page opens the text box for edit. Let's type Smart Training. To cancel the text box, click on the Select icon. We can then move the text box around the notebook page. Resizing if we choose. To edit, we simply click on the text box. If we were looking to change the colour of the word training, double-click on the text box, highlight the text and select a colour from the top menu, in this case red. Similarly, we could underline, make bold or even add transparency. You can now create language exercises, dropping options into a sentence, for example.